International Conference of Khalifa Prize for Education begins on 14th May. Applications open for University of Madras Free Education Scheme. Students with 4-year bachelor's degrees, 75% marks can directly pursue PhD UGC. Big respite for students amid rising temperatures in Odisha. Government declares summer vacations from 25th April. DIS suspends Dalit PhD scholar for 2 years. PSF condemned the action. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the conference aims to review the most important leading global experiences in the field of early education at the global level, explore visions and horizons that keep pace with the future of technological acceleration in education, exchange global experiences and ideas to enhance the role of the educational environment, formulate innovative educational policies, and contribute to developing the quality of educational outcomes and the role of educational institutions and bodies, as well as anticipating the future jobs and the labor market to establish appropriate educational structures and systems and participate with creative ideas to develop integrated strategies and policies for developing education. Amal Al-Afifi. Students from economically disadvantaged families may apply to the free higher education scheme of the University of Madras. The details of the scheme and applications are available at www.anom.ac.in. Candidates must upload the documents required for free education mentioned on the website within 15 days after the Class 12 results are announced. Only those applications with the soft copies of the required documents will be taken up for perusal, the university's registrar said. Students with 4-year undergraduate degrees can now directly appear for NET and pursue PhD, according to University Grants Commission (UGC) Chairman Jagdesh Kumar. To pursue a PhD with or without a Junior Research Fellowship (JRF), the candidates will require a minimum of 75% marks or equivalent grades in their 4-year undergraduate course. So far, a candidate for the National Eligibility Test (NET) needed a master's degree with a minimum of 55% marks. The candidates with 4-year undergraduate degrees can now directly pursue PhD and appear for NET. Such candidates are allowed to appear in a subject in which they want to pursue a PhD. In a press statement, the state government said all schools, including those run by government, government-aided and private, will remain closed from 25th April. The government has also announced morning classes from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in schools for 3 days from 22nd April to 24th April. Earlier, the state had ordered the closure of all schools in the state for 3 days from April 18th to 20th after a severe heatwave situation during which the temperature rose to above 45 degrees Celsius in the state. The highest temperature recorded in the state's Jharsuguda and Keonjhar towns was 43.6 degrees Celsius till 2:30 p.m. on Sunday. The Tata Institute of Social Sciences (TISS) has suspended Ramdas, a PhD scholar and student leader from the Dalit community, for 2 years. The administration also barred his entry from all TISS campuses. The Progressive Students Forum (PSF), a student organization at TISS, condemned the suspension of Ramdas. Ramdas' suspension was conveyed through a letter from the administration on 18 April 2024. Ramdas initially received a show-cause notice from the TISS Registrar's Office on 7 March 2024, which highlighted his involvement in activism. Specifically, his participation in the Parliament March in New Delhi in January 2024 and the social media. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.